welcome back to another vlog. Who's here? Hi. We're doing a makeover today.
Yeah.
And Sue is gonna be transforming Moa into a, what's your name?
Baddie. Wait, no, what the last one they named Dream. That's how they did stripper name.
Yeah, was it Dream or was it? I shot me, didn't name it. It was Wet. It was I don't remember. Comment down below if you watched that video. What was the name? I don't remember. I bet babe remember.
That was like over a year.
Oh my god, long time.
But yeah, maybe it should be Dream today.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be Dream.
Dream is like goddess, sexy.
So makeup look. Alright, let me not say anything. When she's done, we'll see.
Yeah.
So transformation in 5, 4, 3, 2. Babe, I'm gonna stay.
Nice.
You like it? My name is Dream.
Dream.
Cause I be in your dreams. You love it? Alright guys, so she's all done. Remember guys, comment my name down below. Dream. Which one? More now.
Guys, isn't this hair so nice?
Alright. I love it. Change up sometimes, you know? Keep it spicy.
Yeah.
Change it up sometimes.
Yeah.
Hi guys. How are we?
We're good. No,
Say hi to the Hastings fam. Them long for soon. Hi Hastings fam.
Hello, Hastings fam.
Hi. How are you? We're good.
We're not good.
We're good. We're playing brain games on the phone.
I can't play brain games.
That's why you need to,
You have
because
to
you
have a
can't.
brain.
So Daddy is doing all these little brain games. If you guys play any, comment down below. This one you have to find like the words that's in the picture.
There's a frigging animal, and these are the words.
Oh, I see one. Look good. Look to the left.
I'm looking to the left. How long?
The tall one that looks somewhere in this area. Look somewhere in this area. You're not even that try. You just want to give up too easy. Look in this area.
Oh, true.
Yes.
And I found out some of them they put in backwards. Please. That'll happen when you
You have
get
to
the right
move that.
words. So the other words down here, but I've got to get, what is it, an alpha? No.
What's that alpha?
I don't know.
He's just making up words over here. So what you guys been up to? Tell the people then. Other than being cheeky and cracking jokes. Mommy, it's not rolling up on my vlog. Oh my God.
Well, I've been up and down all over the place.
I've been named a house husband.
Yeah, he's now a house husband. That's so nice.
Well, you're not going to get any
Neither
food.
one of you are in the best of
You're
health.
certainly going to be on a diet.
Who is going to be on the diet?
You, because I won't be cooking.
This is a flip. Mommy used to spend the evenings cooking for you.
And that's exactly what I said.
Yeah.
Well, as I can't drive around the place, starting off at 6 o'clock in the morning, back by midday and so on. That's it.
Get you too old for that life, eh?
Totally. Yeah.
And also, you're under stay-at-home orders, sir. You're under.
Not just for
You're
COVID.
under stay-at-home orders.
Not just for COVID.
Well, he got his first vaccine.
Yes,
He's supposed
he
to go
did.
get the other one on the 19th, right? Yeah. So after that, he can go all over the place.
How did you feel after your first job, Daddy?
Absolute shit.
It was awful, eh?
What, for 4 days?
You were down for
Like
a good
4
while.
weeks.
Yeah.
But not, I mean, I hope it won't be as bad this time.
Well, just expect the same thing.
Yeah, but what is what is.
I haven't had mine. Is that what I'm looking forward to?
No, this is what Senator Crawford says. Homegrown, quote unquote. Homegrown.
Say hi, Hastings fam. Tell them it was your second day of school today.
Yeah, what did have food today?
Yeah, how was it?
Two.
What did you learn?
I am hating.
Painting. What else?
I'm hating.
Yeah.
My name boom boom.
You did not learn no boom boom.
I know. Boom boom.
Hi guys, so I just finished my workout not too long and had some lunch, and then when I get back home I'm gonna do some work, but I'm so tired. Like, tomorrow's rest day and I cannot wait. Today was upper body. I'm so tired. Hey Hastings fam, welcome back to another scene. So today hang on one second, we're actually taking you to see another portion of street food in Jamaica. Jerk chicken. We're taking you to see some jerk chicken. It's our favorite spot. It's our favorite spot, so we're gonna go get some clippings of that, and then we're gonna have a little mukbang of some jerk chicken.
Mommy.
Yeah, let's go. So let's get some scenery, Hastings fam.
What's a hello, mommy?
Oh, say hello, Hastings fam. You have to say it.
Hello, Hastings mom.
Say, let's go get jerk chicken.
No, chicken nugget.
No chicken nuggets.
Well, we did my dinner up.
Yeah.
And after my festival.
Yeah.
Festival. I had to step back at home and let's go at home. Yes, and let's go home. And I had to see back the tunnel. And everybody doing the back home.
Oh.
Lighters.
Okay. So there you have it. Let's go.
is jerk chicken daily, jerk chicken, curry goat, stew beef, stew chicken, Indian saltfish, Hawaiian bean, fried fish, steamed fish, brown stew fish, and we have fish soup, chicken foot soup, and on Fridays pong soup and red peas.
Only on Fridays you do those?
Only on Fridays we do the pong.
So what's the hours we operate now?
Alright, so normally we'll be here from 4, like Monday to Thursday from 4 up until curfew hours, and on Fridays we'll be here maybe a bit earlier than 4 to curfew hours. But Saturday we're here between from probably 1:30 to
Wow. So at them before you guys used to operate from like what 8, 9?
Yeah, from 8 to 4 in the morning. Yeah,
so after party we usually come get food. Wow.
Right, so here we have pine, mango passion, guava, cucumber, soursop, cashew and soursop, cane juice, and starfruit and passion.
No, it's not your doggy. filling up now. Sun is setting.
My tummy is full.
Mira's tummy is full. I guess after we get our jerk chicken, we usually come over by Biggs and get ourselves drinks. Once upon a time, I'll be having a nice ice cold Pepsi with my jerk chicken right now on my festival. But your girl is having a bottle of water. And baby's been a good sport. She's royal, yes, so royal. No, you're killing me.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive in deeper, I wanna get to know you well, you well. And the only thing that's better is you and me together for real, for real.
We're gonna do 3 more. I don't know what that was.
Don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go.
Tracy? Oh my goodness! You made, what is it? Is it done? This is so good, baby.
Yay! I don't that on my tongue.
Yeah, you going back to class? Second to last day of week 2. I just finished a session of leg day, and now I'm doing my 1-hour cardio.
Don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that
Hey Hastings fam, so it is that time. It's the end of the vlog.
Okay.
It's time to say goodbye. Happy Hastings Sunday today. We hope you guys have an amazing week, a productive week, and keep it going. Thoughts of the week this week is stop asking people who have never been where you're going for directions. A lot of the time we find ourselves asking people, you know, advice and opinions, etc., on some of our dreams and some of our plans, and the reality is that sometimes turns out bad for us, and that's because there's a lot of jealousy in the world, and you know, that person's guess is as good as yours. So just be confident in yourself, put in the work in yourself, and achieve those goals in silence. Just focus on what you're doing and go, because people, sometimes it can come back and bite you. and you know, you put a lot of yourself out there for other people. You wouldn't do certain things to other people, but unfortunately it's not the same for you. And a lot of the times that's how we end up getting discouraged and hurt. And you know, there's been instances I know someone gets completely discouraged of doing the plan that they had by someone, and that person goes and does it themselves. Focus on your own goals, put in the work, and you can do this. Stop asking for opinions. Stop asking for advice. They've never been where you're going. They've never thought of what you're thinking about. This is your idea. This is your goal. This is your journey. Nobody else's journey is the same as yours. So put in that work and just keep on going, and you will get there in the end. That is the thought of the week. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in. Quick post notification shout out goes to Heather Johnson. Says, dead with laugh, the lady tell me to say she not eat the crab leg good. People, it was my first time, okay, and it was so funny to me that she was like, you're not eating good, man. Next one goes to Jane Nash. I fully enjoyed this vlog, Mitty. Amazing Amira is so smart. I'm happy to see you working out again, especially with Sue as your trainer. I remember when you used to work out before your wedding. Guys, you know, the real OGs, I used to work out all the time. I was just gym, fit, ready and stuff. I'm really happy to be back on a journey. Thank you guys for all your positive thoughts and stuff. You know, this is just something that I've always done. It's just that it's my time to start again. Queen Kim says, congrats on your fitness journey. Thank you so much. Lanny Lord, thank you for making me feel as if I'm there with you guys when I watch the video. Mitty, you guys are so real and positive about life. Love you guys. Thank you so much, Lanny Lord. You know, we really try to showcase stuff in every vlog we put out. We try to make sure there's substance and content in there that you guys will enjoy. A lot of you guys live abroad, you know, a lot of you guys live in Jamaica itself, but we really just want to make sure that there's substance in our stuff and we're not just throwing stuff out there every week. So we really do put a lot of time and attention in our vlogs and enjoy sharing it with you guys. So I'm really happy that you guys enjoy it too. Next one goes to Daniel Clark. I love the ending of the vlog with the motivation talk. Thank you. Special K, love the vlog, Mitty. Nice seeing different dimensions you bring to the space. Miss seeing you in the gym. Thank you so much. Alright, and the last one, let's do a food shout out.
Mommy, say hello, mommy.
Wait, baby.
Say hello.
Alright, so Sarika Banik says, Sue, take time with Mitty. We need her. Sue, you heard? I had chicken in black bean sauce with bell peppers, escovitch, sliced fish, rice and peas, pasta salad, tossed salad, fried plantain, and iced tea.
Bye.
What? I'm so jealous right now. If only I could eat these things. Meanwhile, I'm sitting on some water and a little lettuce leaf here and there, a little spinach, a little kale, a little bland chicken breast. But I see you guys, as I said before, I love eating through the comments that you leave. So what did you cook this week? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, make sure you subscribe to Amira's channel, Amazing Amira, my channel, Mitty-SUE, and of course this one here. If you would like to get a post notification, all you have to do is subscribe, hit that bell, click all, comment down below, notification gang, and we'll be sure to possibly shout you out in the next vlog. Thank you guys again for watching. Really appreciate you guys. Remember, Hastings fam, road to 30K. We're at 20 point something now, road to 30K. Until next week, happy Hastings Sunday again. We appreciate you all. Bye.